What causes snoring in adults? It's so multifactorial that it's always almost tricky to pin down the exact cause. Snoring is multifactorial, multi-level, especially in men, and can be from the nose, can be from the mouth, can be from the throat, and can be from the soft tissue of the neck or even your tummy, from being a bit overweight and having a big belly. So snoring is multifactorial. Often we know snoring can get worse if you're really tired. Someone's had a few drinks of alcohol, it makes the smooth muscles relax a bit more and fat therefore vibrates a bit louder. But more often than not, it's quite easy to try and help improve your symptoms. Follow me for more information and advice on what causes snoring and how to best improve it.